Well, good evening, everybody. It's about 4:30. It's a Friday. My desk area. I replaced that one piece of carpet, and I wound up matching this guy, and it was really cheap on sale, and I got a runner with it. And I got a little bit of jambalaya with salad tonight. No carrot cake, but that's okay. And in here I got a little runner, like I said. Of course, I'm going to have to move it over and cut a hole in the center of it and put that grill in it, but that's okay, it'll hold it. Because after painting all this stuff and getting the frame in here and starting to figure out the storage area, none of the other frames even came close to helping. So I picked up some 1x, and it's been raining for 5 days. So that's going to be the headboard configuration on both sides. Yeah, they're all extra parts. However, I broke my own rule, and I slipped and fell and sprained my wrist. And I've been out of working capability now for a day and a half. The sun just came out. Just. And it's supposed to rain again in a couple of hours. I mean, I am so ready to get this done. I'm tired of mopping the floors. I'm tired of... But that's the framework. It holds everything I need. Plus, I've got extra storage for my tools and another one of my foot lockers in the storage unit. And I'm going to leave that open in the back so I can put 2 more back there. I'll put a little wall up. That'll be my outside door for solar panels and the gear that runs the solar panels. Put a wall up. Section it off. This will be the interior. I still have a little catch basin right there. I'm going to put probably 12 inches of solid, 12 inches, and 12 inches. And then I'll build a wall to separate inside from outside. When I put the plywood on here, I'll hinge it to the secured pieces. And this piece, which is going to be 3 inches longer. It'll come out 3 inches. 3.5. This will lift up, and I can get to this stuff no problem. But they fit through these holes. The holes are 15, the boxes are 14. They'll slide right in and out. Now that relieves this area, because even though there's going to be a TV hanging up there, now I can put another box here. And I might get creative with that box. I'm not sure yet. Any hanging clothes I have, I can put in there. And when it folds out, you can take out your hanging clothes. I don't know. It's an idea. I'm working on it. Other than that, I'm ready to button this area up. It's about the trim. If the sun stays out, it'll trick you. It'll get sunny, you go out there, you hook everything up, you start working, it rains. And that's how I slipped and fell. I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not going to get caught trying to rush things. It's almost there. It's almost there. You know, I could sleep on this little guy for another day or two. This is starting to get cleaned up. That's the burn box. Everything is going to get organized. All this stuff is going to be... I might even put that recliner over here, so I can use that other area. But yeah, it gets like soup. So I got to get the gravel over here. This whole area out here turns into quicksand because it floats. and I can't have it. So I got a lot to do in a short period of time. I figured I'd give you guys an update. And I like the carpeting though. It's a little better, you know. It brings out all the colors of everything. And, you know, I gotta live here, so it's gotta be pleasing. Everything is level, ready to go. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'll get the plywood. I'll get this set. I got some doors for out front here. And put a mattress on that thing and call it a day. Little trim. Of course, I got a light fixture for there. I got the curtains that can go back on. Little door trim. And call it a day. You know, when I report in after the weekend, I want to say, my bedroom's done. All right, guys. Be happy, be healthy, have a good night. And that's it. That's it from the mountain. Got my spice rack all cleaned up. Using it. Gonna start hanging the pots off the wall. I got a couple rods. And I just got to cut them down. And that's going to help out tremendously. And I got these way cool flashlights. And you adjust them. And I'll tell you what, when I walk outside, I got about 10 of them. Because I want to put them every door, in my truck, everywhere. And it illuminates so much. It's just wonderful. 6 times, 7 times normal flashlight. And out here, when you go outside at 2 in the morning, it's dark. And you want to be able to see what's going on. All right, guys. That's it. Trying to turn it into a home. Not have this business on my couch. But I gotta get the storage in order to facilitate making it look like something. All right, take care.